In this video, we wanted to show you the new Align feature that we added in version 33. Align can be found under the Utilities menu, under the Move portion. Now Align is a kind of combination between Translate and Rotate, so it does it all at one time. Now when you first go into Align, you'll see it says All Visible, which I don't want to move everything. I just want to move this solid into the vise. So I'm going to tell it I want to pick. I want to pick the solid I want to align to my vise. Then I want to select my origin. So I'll select my origin box and pick the point I want to move from. Once you do that, you want to set your directions. So I'm going to use the bottom edge as my x-axis to align it with the x. Now I want to go to a coordinate system because I don't have an existing UCS for this location. You can also snap to an existing UCS. So I want to select my origin here as this point along that vise. When I hit OK, my part is now translated and rotated to fit in that vise. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to sign up for our new BobCAD-CAM user forum at forum.bobcad.com.